Po, dito po siya nakatira. Sabihin ko sa inyo, i-translate ko na po sa Tagalog. Ito po natira sa kanyang bahay, mga pira-pirasong yero. Ginawa niyang letter A para meron silang tulugan. Hi mga ka-nation! It's January 3 today and I will be flying to Bohol to bless our kababayans there na mga biktima ng bagyong Odette. Napakadami ng request natin kung pwede may magawa tayo para sa kanila. So dapat 8 pa ang flight ng buong FHM team to meet and coordinate with our FHM Bohol team. But I decided to fly ahead of everyone. So samahan niyo ako sa buong journey na to kung paano natin matutulungan at makakapagbigay tayo, makakapagpahiram ng konting tulong at pagmamahal sa mga nasalanta ng bagyo sa probinsya ng Bohol. Lions Club, say hi please. Thank you for the love. Lions Club and the CUB Foundation, San Francisco, and Bago. Thank you very much. Natapos na po kami. Ito pa lang po ang natatapos namin pala. Okay, nadadali namin bukas sa Pitogo, sa Ubay and Gaos. It's a barangay, coastal barangay of Ubay. Okay. Beside me is not a basketball ring or something. This is a solar lamp and a solar post. I am here at Tapal Port. This is still part of Ubay in Bohol. Where we're crossing the other island. The other island is called Pitogo Island. We use the barge to cross and cross another island to reach Gaos. It's a barangay, coastal barangay in Pitogo, where ground zero, you will find, although the whole Ubay has been considered as the ground zero, 12 times naglandfall ang Typhoon Odette that lasted for 12 hours. Can you imagine the devastation? I can't describe as I take pictures, but I can't imagine how strong the typhoon was. I hope we can help every family, but we need to prioritize Gaos first because that's where our destination is today, and we will be going by boat to other coastal barangay the whole day today. So with that, I will give you more update. Thank you everyone and stay safe. Over here, that's where we're going. It's a barangay island, coastal barangay of Pitogo or Carlos P. Garcia in Bohol. It's one of an isolated island and totally wiped out by Typhoon Odette. And on my left, you see the whole Pitogo town, where we already had a relief mission with our sister NGO called Jolly Box. So today we will bless 350 families together with CUB and Bago Lions International in San Francisco to bless this island. And it's not an easy journey because we need to leave very early in the morning to be in Ubay. And then from Ubay, you have to rent 2 big boats to reach this island. So we'll give you more updates when we get there. So unfortunately, we cannot go near the shoreline So we had to seek help from the small boat to transport the relief packs to Gaos community and residents. This is an isolated island, and that's where we're going to distribute all the relief goods that we brought. So we're stuck here.
Ito yung ano po.
We are now here in Gaos
bahay namin.
Island.
Yan, talaga.
Okay.
Ano po? Yung nasira?
This is about 350 families in this island, totally wiped out by. You see, it's actually unannounced. Okay, they're all coming here because this is very seldom that relief goods and help.
Now we know why.
And now we know why. Okay, because it's really far and isolated. Kumusta ang bagyo? Okay ra? Happy life? Happy life? Kumusta mo tanan? Oo, at least naka-smile paghihapon. Happy New Year! Meron kaming dalang maliit na regalo sa inyong lahat. Alas 6 ng gabi, hangin at may kasamang ulan.
Mahina pa.
Mahina pa. So anong oras po? Ilang? Alas 3.
Alas 5.
So ilan bahay po ang natanggalan ng bubong? Lahat halos? Lahat. Lahat halos.
Kaso walang ano. 5 bahay na hindi nasira.
5 lang ang hindi nasira. So lahat nasira. Asan yung bahay ninyo? Na ano din, nasira.
Sira.
Opo. Yung mga anak ninyo nasaan po?
Nandiyan, ang iba sa Manila. Trabaho.
So may bubong yung bahay ninyo? Wala.
Mayroon. Sa sira yung ano sa ibabaw.
Sino po yung nagbigay sa inyo ng relief goods?
Si PG.
Sino? Pero nagpadala si BP Lenny Robredo sa inyo.
Konting goods.
Opo.
Tapos bigas.
Wow.
Sa Diyos, bigas. Oo.
Okay, maraming
Sa Bicol na,
salamat.
di ba? Bicol?
Opo.
Okay. Oo.
Maraming salamat.
Kaya mo pabadlong kay naapay mas daghang mo abot kung asa man ang ulan sa ano? Dai, hata ba din natin salita po.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you. Thank you.
Salamat po sa inyo.
Tawalan ka po.
Salamat.
What you see is an island called Bantiki Island. This is the second stop of our relief mission today. Bantiki Island is a very small island, but beside Bantiki is Bhutan. Bhutan Island is right there. So that's gonna be our last stop to bring our relief mission. And you'll be surprised. I can see 11 remaining coconut trees, while on the other side I can see 7. So we'll bless them before it turns dark. We need to go back to the port, and we'll be in the road by 7, I hope. We are here in our second destination called Bantiki Island. It's just a small island with 62 families. If you can see in my background, you see houses without roofs, even houses, the concrete houses with no roof. So this is like one of the landfalls of a multiple landfall of Typhoon Odette. So we move to the next island. You call it Bhutan Island. So that's gonna be our last stop. Okay, so we will bless about 60 to 70 families here, and then we move there, as you can see. And how I wish we can do more, but this is an unimaginable island. It's so hard to reach coming from the port of Ubay. So we'll give you more updates later. So andito po kami sa Bantique Island. This is our second stop for the day. It's almost dark. And we'll try to bless 70 families living in this island. It's an isolated island. As you can see, I can only see 11 remaining coconut trees in the island. So what they need here is a potable water and a mineral water, maybe, because it's coming from, the problem is they can hardly find a boat that will transport, because boats they don't have any supply of gasoline or diesel for the boats. So prices of boats is really unimaginable, and it's very, very hard to transport relief goods in this island. And that's one reason why we're all here, to bless the families. Ang nasa tabi ko po si Aling Luisa Baok. Ito po ang bahay niya. Ayun po yung mister niya. Halip po kayo dito.
Ay ba?
Siya po ang mister niya. Ang nanay po niya ay may sakit na Parkinson's disease. At ito po ang bahay nila na wala ng bubong. Tumabingi sa tabi ng dito sa isla ng Bantique, dito sa Pitogo Island. Kayo po ang napili namin. Magdadagdag kami pabili ng yero ninyo. Pasalamat po kayo. Meron pong nag-bless sa inyo. Ang pangalan Miss Mitch, at saka si Reggie. Sige, pasalamat po kayo.
Salamat,
Miss Mitch
at
Sir Reggie. Ayan, si Kuya. Ano pangalan mo, Kuya?
Roldan.
Okay, dahil dininig ng Panginoon ang dasal ninyo, magbibigay kami para makumpuni niyo maski yung bubong, at merong makapambili na kayo ng inyong pantake para yung nanay ninyo ay mabili niyo na rin ng gamot. Idagdag niyo po ito pambili ng inyong bubong. 5,000 po yan, ha?
Salamat kayo, sir. Salamat po.
God bless po. God bless. Pagpalain kayo ng Panginoon, ha?
Salamat.
Opo. Ayan, magpasalamat po kayo kay Miss Mitch.
Salamat.
Malaking tulong. Sana po makatulong yan. Makabili na kayo ng inyong bubong. At maibili nyo na rin ng gamot yung nanay ninyo. Ano po?
Lairi ka kasi, sir, tag 90 isa.
Opo. Sige. Dahil dyan, hihiramin ko muna yung tsinelas mo. Kunin mo sa akin doon. Masakit sa paa. Salamat. Aling Luisa. At pagpalain kayo ng
Ma'am,
Panginoon.
salamat.
Ipagdadasal po namin kayo. Ano po?
Salamat.
Opo. We are down to our last stop. This is Bhutan Island. And this is, it's check your time. It's 5:45. So we're trying to bring down the light and the darkness. As you can see in my background, it's
Sa likod mo
there's about 100 families or less in this small island. It's called Bhutan Island in Pitogo, Bohol. And I don't know how they learned and found out that we will be distributing relief goods. But already, as you can see, the families, head of the families are already lined up. And they're so disciplined and quite organized. Okay, and we'll give you more updates in a while. Thank you, everyone. Yung nasa tabi ko po si Mang Rinante at saka si Maria, ang kanyang asawa. Meron silang ilan anak ninyo? 4. Ang bahay nila nandoon. Pero temporarily din dito sila dahil na-wash out ang bahay nila. So wala silang natitirahan. So dito nakipisan sila. Manganganak si Aling Maria, pang ilang anak niya na po yan. Ang si Mang Rinante po, ang kanyang hanap buhay ay mangisda. Pero nasira po ang kanyang bangka, nasira ang kanyang lambat. So, manganganak ang kanyang asawa, wala rin silang bahay. So, yan po ang ating problema na hinaharap. Meron pong sumagot sa inyong dasal na konting tulong para sa inyong pagpapatayo ng pagbili ng lambat at saka pang kumpuni ng inyong temporary na na titirhan parang sa mga bata. Ayan, ang pangalan po niya ay Ma'am Mitch, si Ma'am Mitch at saka si Sir Reggie. Sige po, magpa-thank you po kayo.
Thank you po sa lahat ng mutabang na mo na kining aming islang taon. Nang babae. Asan ito? Tingnan. Una mo habang taon mo niya. Hindi ko po gana kong hilag yun. Noon kayo medyo dito. Nawagan ko sa may mutabang. Tabangin taon mo ninyo. Damay lang. Yan lang po.
Kailan kayo mga anak? Sana huling baby niyo na yan, hindi mo kayo mag-contest ulit. May konting tulong po kami iiwan sa inyo at naway makabili kayo uli ng lambat, makapag-umpisa uli kayo ng hanap buhay. Lakasan po natin loob natin at ito yung mga pagsubok lamang. Naway sa pagbalik namin, mansyon na ang bahay ninyo. Naiyak ako. Iwan po kami konting halaga galing sa kaibigan namin, si Mitch at saka si Reggie. Thank you Mitch, thank you Reggie. Iwan ko to kahit pambili man lang ng lambat. At para sa mga bata kahit trapal, pagdamutan nyo na po ito, galing po sa amin. At ito po yung sagot sa inyong dasal. Lakasan nyo po loob nyo at naway i-bless kayo ng Panginoon ng isang makabangon kaagad. Ano po? God bless. Kapag makabait kayo. Happy po. Salamat. Salamat sa inyo. God bless.